Hello guys, so you're welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to correct your keyboard in case you are trying to type something and it's showing you something else. Probably you are trying to type a particular symbol or special character and it's showing you something else. So let me just give you guys an example of what I'm saying. So when I go to my WordPress, let's open our WordPress. So over here, if I want to type the @ sign, it always gives me something else. So let me show you guys what I'm saying. So just type in @, see what it's showing me. Okay, let me increase the size of this so that you can see what I'm saying. So take this to 48. So now when I type the @ sign, see it's showing me quotation mark. Can you see that?
And if I should type the hashtag sign, it's showing me £sterling sign. Can you see this?
So in this video I'll show you guys how to correct your keyboard so that it doesn't show you the wrong character again. For you to do this, you need to go to your setting. Let's go to our setting. So come over to where your setting is, then you go to where you have your setting. Can you see? Then you come to where you have your language. So just scroll down to where you have your language. So let's scroll down. So you can see where you have your time and language. So click on time and language. So over here, come to where you have your language. Can you see your language over here? So just come to where you have your language. So guys, if you are new on my channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and on this channel I talk about ways you can make money online, and I make research to find out simple solutions like this. So kindly hit the subscribe button and comment if you actually got value from this video. If you actually tried this and it worked for you, just kindly like this video and comment so that the algorithm will show this video to more people. So once you are in this place, just go to where you have the language. Can you see this? So click on it, then it will bring out options for you. Can you see the options? So click on options, then you scroll down again to where you have add a keyboard. Can you see the keyboard we have here? So we have the United Kingdom extended QWERTY. Can you see? So you want to ensure you add US QWERTY so that you can get the right sign and special character. So go to where you have add a keyboard, then you search for US QWERTY. So let's look for that right away. I'm searching. You can see we have a lot of them right here. So just search, scroll down to where you have US. Okay, this is the current one we are on. So let me go up again. I can't find it down there. Alright. So it's United States over here. Alright, so this is the right keyboard you are supposed to use, US QWERTY, not United States International QWERTY. This is the right one, US QWERTY. So just ensure you click on US QWERTY, then come to where you have United Kingdom extended and remove it. Just tap on it, then it will bring out this remove button. So click on remove, then this should be sorted by now. So we are going to go back to our Microsoft Word and try to type the signage again. So let's go back to the Microsoft Word. So when you come down here and we click on the @ sign, so shift @, can you see? It's bringing out the @ sign for us now. Then the hashtag, that's sorted also. So guys, this is basically how you get to correct your keyboard. This is how you get to correct your keyboard. So always ensure that your signage, like when you come over here, let me show you this last step. Always ensure that this is also in English. You can see the preferred language. Always ensure that this is also in English United States. If yours is not in English United States, just click on add a language, then you can get to add any language that, but most importantly you want to be in English, and ensure that you are not in any other language. So this one is already in English, so we don't need to tamper with this at all. Ensure that yours is in English United States and the keyboard is in US QWERTY. So that is basically how you correct your keyboard. So if you got value from this video, and if you did this and it worked for you, kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment in the comment section if this worked for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.